It's our mission at Frisco Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram to make servicing your vehicle as convenient as possible for you. That's why we offer a Mopar Express lane, early bird hours, and shuttle services. But we wanted to make things even easier. So Frisco Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram proudly presents our mobile auto service. That's right, our mobile mechanics will come to you, even if you didn't buy your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram from us. We can take care of non-fluid related maintenance and perform checks without interrupting your busy lifestyle. Our mobile mechanics will come to your home or office and perform light maintenance duties such as vehicle recalls, battery replacement, key replacement, software updates, and more. We value your time and want to prove it. Let us come to you. Choose one of 3 easy ways to schedule your mobile auto service today. Call 972-439-0251. Click the mobile service icon on our website or email mobilesolutions@friscocdjr.com.